Hello people, I'm Dr.Genuks, and here I'd like to introduce to you to my creation process for the vector graphics logo creation, and especially the work on the specific logo for the Here to Go comics. Here to Go comics, the independent pacemaker, the independent company which is featuring the Umbra to Umbra series books. And here we go. First of all, I've started from, you see, the blueprint drawn by hand with the pencil at the background. I use it as a staple. And over with other layers above. With adding the layers, I'm processing it with the Bezier curves or pen tool from the Adobe Illustrator, one by one, point by point, seamlessly. This is I am tweaking with the junction points, which is tweakable with pressing Alt key or Option key on the Mac, and with the Shift pressed key it becomes movable. Otherwise, so with Shift I can move the junction point, and with Option key I can alter in it, and I can see the best direction, the best angle fits to my design, to my concept. Uh, this is how it will look like at one of the final stages. My main goal is to pursue as smooth as better. It have to be anyways. It have to be looking mind-blowing. It have to be looking great. So after all, we can have one the smoothest version, one of them most compatible. The main goal of my entire process is to create also code path, which is will be exported to the other parts of Adobe Creative Suite like Photoshop, or even furthermore to the 3D processing stuff like even ZBrush. As I know, it will work with the Bash so far. Let's see. Also, it includes a bunch of font work here. I've used a couple of specific fonts in order to provide with my design. You see the typeface null shock here, and this very sleek font introduced in the here sign. It's especially the Shiva font. Finally and fourth, this is one of the closer to final versions, which will be submitted to the editorial staff, and I will guide the following instruction they provided to me, if they like it or not. So this is one of my working versions, so to speak. Let's see. This is how it's look like in the macOS environment. And here are the most palatable part, the palatable, which is easy go 3D, provided by graphic readers. These are the styles from them. They are allowed me to achieve very fast and very smooth the result, because they include slightly all the parts, also lighting and colors and texturings and geofixes in one. So I have to by click only to see if it fits to my vision. This is I've prepared as usually about a dozen of different versions, combining with textures and combining with different lighting sources and styles, so on. These are my lot number one uh, versions. You can check it out. Still, how it will look like. In the Photoshop, we just have to process the paths, export it out from the Illustrator with the about JFXs from Graphic River. I have a huge, especially backpack of these backgrounds, of these special effects, and the only thing is left is to browse through them and check out and pick one that fits the best. Thank you for watching. Peace, people.